Hi friends, welcome to our channel ABC. Today we are going to discuss about figure and figure caption tags. In this screen, we are seeing an image and there is a caption text related to our images. So we can see this kind of example in our day-to-day life. Basically, in a newspaper, we can see the lot of images and there will be the caption text related to that images. Before HTML5 introduced, if we want to display image with caption text in our web page means we were using the paragraph tag. In my HTML, image tag and caption text is enclosed within the individual paragraphs. So this is how we were using to display image with caption text before HTML5 introduced. So we can see output for image 1. So in my web page for image 1, we have kept this image and the caption text inside the paragraph tags. To avoid this much difficulties, HTML5 has introduced the figure and figure caption tags. For image 2, I have used figure and figure caption tags to display this kind of format. We can see the HTML for this image 2. In my HTML, I have used the figure tag as a root tag. Inside this figure tag, I have kept the image tag and the fig caption tag to display the caption text for an image. So guys, try this yourself, and if you have any question, type in a comment section. Next we can discuss about basic links, that is anchor tag. Basically, a website is a collection of minimum 2 to 3 web pages. So all the web pages should be linked together. For that case, we can use the anchor tag. Now we can see how to link a website in our web pages, or how to link one website with another website using anchor tag. There are two important main attributes are available for anchor tag. One is href attribute, second is target attribute. In href attribute, we need to mention our web page or a website URL when the user clicks on a anchor link. Next is target attribute represents when the user clicks on the anchor link where it has to open, like it should be open in a new tab or a same tab. So that represents the target attribute. Here underscore blank will open our web page in a new tab, and underscore self will open our web page in the same tab. In my HTML, I have 3 anchor links. One is for HTML5 course, second is for JavaScript course, third is for React.js course. So we can see the output for this HTML. So here we can see 3 anchor links. One is for HTML5, second is for a JavaScript, and the third is for a React.js course. So if I click the HTML5 course, it will open in a new tab because I have set the target value as a blank. So we can see it is opening in a new tab. If I click the JavaScript course, it will open in the same tab because I have set this target value as a self. So guys, try this yourself, and if you have any questions, keep in the comment section. Thank you.